Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Harmonium on GarageBand. First, open GarageBand on your device. Create a new project or open an existing one. Then, add a new software instrument track. This track will be where your Harmonium sound lives. We will explore the sound library to find the perfect Harmonium tone for your musical creations. Once your software instrument track is ready, navigate to the sound library on the left side of your screen. Scroll down and select the Keyboards category. Within this section, look for an instrument labeled Indian Harmonium or something similar, like World Instruments. Click on it to load the Harmonium sound into your track, making it ready to play. Now that you have your Harmonium sound, let's customize it. Open the Smart Controls panel. Here, you can adjust parameters like attack, decay, sustain, and release to fine-tune the instrument's response. Experiment with built-in effects such as reverb or delay to add depth. You can also use the equalizer to shape the tone, making it brighter or warmer as needed. You are now ready to play and record your Harmonium. Use a connected MIDI keyboard or the on-screen musical typing keyboard to play notes. Practice different scales and chords to achieve an authentic Harmonium feel. When you are ready, hit the record button. After recording, you can quantize your performance to correct any timing imperfections, ensuring a polished and professional sound.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.